Watch our full video to create such a design. Select text and type. Press Ctrl+T and adjust. Open character. Now you can do the same setting as I have done. Copy text setting. Open layers and select text layer. Right-click and select Convert to Shape. Click on Path Selection tool. Hold down the Up control and do the setting like I'm doing. Now open the image and drag it over here. Now press Ctrl and T and set the picture like me. Open layers and press Command Alt and click. Select background and open solid color. Now change the background color as you like. Select text layer and double-click on blending options. Select outer glow. Now do the same setting as I am doing. Double-click on solid color. Now change the background color slightly to match the outer glow. Complete design.
Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe our channel to see more such tutorials.